Hey guys, I'm gonna show you what's inside the Osmo Pocket 3 Creators package. So in the pretty bag, what we have is additional battery that can be plugged through the USB-C to the Osmo itself. It clips very easy and unticks with just a click of the button. The small tripod, which you can just screw onto the battery or to the Osmo Pocket itself. There's also, what do we have here? Just a little extender so that you can have the socket for the tripod. And yes, you can put your Osmo to the tripod as well. Microphone, there's just one, DJI Mic 2, which automatically connects to the Osmo itself. You don't need to click any additional buttons. It clips to your clothing or whatever else you want, and the quality is like really extremely good. You don't need to do anything additionally to edit the audio to make it sound perfect. And if we keep digging further in the bag, we can find the Osmo itself in a very minimalistic case. So just to turn it on, you need to switch the touchscreen display, and it takes a second, or in my case, I just had to click the button so you can see it turns on. It automatically calibrates the gimbal. All the controls are available in the Osmo itself, like the screen is touchscreen. You can zoom in, zoom out like this. You can control the gimbal with a button, but it's also very handy to control it through the mobile app, which works on all the operating system. It has all the settings. And if you want to plug in all the extensions, like here's how you just apply the extra battery, screw on the tripod, which is, I guess, more convenient way to do when it's closed. And again, it's just a default socket for all the tripods, so it's going to work with everything else as well. So here I noticed that I didn't plug it till the end, so there we go. Now the light is green and it's charging and everything is good. Well, basically that's it. I don't know, it's very easy to use. It's very simple and convenient. You can always have it in your pocket and just turn it on whenever you need. If you plan to vlog or shoot some travel videos or whatever, it's super handy, definitely more handy than heavy DSLR cameras, and I find it also more easy and convenient than just using the mobile phone, especially in the situation when you need a gimbal.